You're watching Enable TV with the Nokia Lumia 800 smartphone, which will be out soon. In America also, we already have it in Germany since a few weeks, and it will come out, of course, worldwide pretty soon. And this is a real iPhone 4 competitor, even though the system is Windows Phone, the 7.5 Mango, but that makes it actually more simple than Android, and I think better than an iOS, because we have these widgets which will show you, of course, for example, that you have a new email right here. You can set the settings for yourself. We have the German menu right now, but as you can see, it's pretty fast, and if you go to the side, there's even more apps like you would find it on the iPhone, but it's a long list which is alphabetical. But if you like one really a lot, then you can just, or if you don't like it, you can delete it here. Say go back, and I want the camera, for example, on the front page. We say to the front page here, and then it puts it on the end. Take this and put it anywhere you want, like for example right next to the calendar. So as you can see, standard operating system, nothing special actually, but the camera, the device feels actually really nice, and it's really fast, so it's worth the $400. If you check it out, we have on the outside a unibody case, which is actually plastic, but a special plastic. We have on top the standard 3.5mm port. Then you have to press this in to get to the micro USB port for charging and connecting to your computer. And if you slide this to the side, then you will have the SIM card slot, which is a micro SIM. But just check out the pictures on Nokia for that. I won't take it out for the test right now. And we have the volume control, power on and off switch. Here this is the third button, and we have a camera button, which are all pretty nice, and they are really good and nicely usable. Then we have a Nokia logo here on the back and an 8-megapixel camera with double Xeon flash. And as you already saw on the bottom, there is the special design with singly put holes in it. Then we have some apps here for you, for example camera, of course. We want to demonstrate that to you. Just press the camera button and you can right away shoot some nice pictures. We are in the photo modus right now, and the problem is here, okay, as you can see, the colors are a little bit different, but that's due to the fact that we don't have daylight right now, only standard light. And as you can see, we have already some pictures from outdoors which look fine, as far as I would say. And I went too far back. Let's press the camera again and switch to video mode, and then you can see this is faster. Okay, the colors are still not better, but as I said, this is only due to the fact that there is no daylight anymore, and I'm just doing this wrong. So let's see a sample video of how everything would look like with daylight. And as you can see, it's pretty nice, and you can just check out the video on endeavor.com or Endeavor TV and our YouTube channel, this one in 720p that we recorded, because that's the maximum you can record actually. Let me show you the settings right here. So we have scenes, white, effects, contrast and focus, and resolution is 8 megapixels, 4:3 right now for photos, but you can of course change it as you want. Then another pretty nice thing by Nokia is the navigation, which we will go to in just a second, and there's Nokia Music. So you don't have to use actually the Microsoft Marketplace, but you can use the Nokia Marketplace for downloading music. It takes a little bit right now, but actually we should have a Wi-Fi connection, so I don't know. Oh, okay, I never used this before, and I don't have any songs, but you can listen to some tunes here before you buy. So you just hit play, and then you can listen to it before you will buy it. We have volume of 30 right now, but if you turn off the device, it will continue playing, and when you come back, you will have here right on top the controls for pausing, going to the next song, and as you can see, some more informations, like we have a new email. So that's nice and handy. Let's go to Nokia Navigation, which is nice if you want this as your GPS device. As you can see, it's searching for the GPS, and if we just go like this, let's switch to 3D modus, I like that more, and it's fast, you can zoom in, zoom out, and looks pretty nice. So this is really handy. We even have the subway stations and everything here in Munich, so you won't get lost with this device. Then we can of course go back, and there is also Nokia Maps. That's a little bit different from the usage, but actually it uses the same maps and same information. But as you can see, we have the subway lines also here, which is even nicer with the lines where they are going. And I don't know if I would hit one, if it would tell me when the next one is coming, but actually Google does that now. So no, it doesn't do that, but well, looks still pretty nice. And you can switch from map to satellite to public transportation view. So if you go satellite, you will see over Wi-Fi this still looks pretty nice, and the animations are, I think, just really amazing. And for 400 euro phone, this is not that bad. Then of course, as I showed you already before, if you go to the side, we have all kinds of apps that you can just put on the front page. T-Mobile has some extras on here. We have also standard maps by Bing here, so if you don't want to use Nokia, then you can still use the standard Microsoft application, which is not that worst either, but this is not on your device, so you need Wi-Fi for that. The navigation is actually usable worldwide without a 3G connection. You only need a GPS signal. So if you go to search, one other interesting thing with the Mango is that you have directly search built in, where you can search for music that's playing in the background, as you can see here. Right now it says we don't have a Wi-Fi connection, but still it would search like with Shazam. Then we have photo, which you can use for QR codes or products. So that's pretty nice also. You don't need an extra app for that. And there is just listening, the Microsoft Tell Me program, which is handy if you want to search for somebody or something on the web. Like, let me try this now with, for example, Michael Jackson. As you can see, it's already searching on the web, and we can check out some pictures, some websites and everything that you would find on Bing. Of course, we chose this design right now. You don't need to use this gray on black design. You can use a pink or any other color, but I think this looks actually the best with the black case, which is actually also available in magenta and bluish different setting. And I think that's it from the Nokia Lumia 800 test. I hope we showed you everything. Everything else should be actually a Mango thing that would be on here. And well, till next time, tune in again. My name is Balazs Gal, and thank you very much for watching Endeavor TV.